In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Mendeley citation. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is open Word. So I'm currently on the web version of Word, but it's going to work the exact same way if you're using the desktop version as well. So you want to go into add-ins over here on the Home tab. You want to add Mendeley Cite. I have it already, so I'm going to click on it. And then on the References tab, you can open up Mendeley Cite as a kind of sidebar over here on the right. And the first time you do this, you'll have to sign into your account. So just click on the Sign In button and you'll be able to sign in using your email and password. But if you're signed in already inside your account over here in the desktop app, you'll be able to kind of just click on it and it's going to sign you in automatically. So to add a citation, what you want to do first is of course have some text. So I'm just going to type in something random. So let's just do hello there. This is a sample, okay? This is a sample like this. Now, whenever you do this, you can insert a citation by just clicking, of course, finding your reference. You can search for it over here, for example, YouTube, and I'm gonna find it, or you can just scroll down and find it as well. It's gonna work. If you have different collections, you can, of course, filter by those over here as well. And then simply click on Insert Citation, and that citation is gonna get inserted in this format over here. Now, if you want another format, such as like maybe author or year, like this, you could just go to Not Insert Citation, but instead click on this arrow down, and you can insert as author year, like this. So this is gonna happen, of course, if you're trying to say, for example, this was stated by and then this person over here, or of course these people if there's multiple, and then you have like the author as well, and you could also only insert the year too if you want to, just like this. Okay, so that's essentially how to do this. That's how to add a Mendeley citation. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.